All right, let's move on. The Supreme Court began to hear the submissions from rival parties as Wajir Governor Mohammed Abdi Mohammed fights to keep his seat. Now, Mohammed turned to the top court after the High Court and the Court of Appeal ruled that he was not validly elected because he did not have a degree. The governor convinced the Supreme Court to allow him to prove that he has a bachelor's degree in business management and a master's degree from Kampala University. His rival, the former governor Ahmed Abdullahi, wanted him cross-examined, but the application was turned down by 6 Supreme Court judges led by Chief Justice David Maraga. They ruled that evidence filed by way of affidavits was enough. To support his claim, Mr. Mohammed filed 3 affidavits, including 2 from University Vice-Chancellor Badru Dungu Katerega and Academic Registrar Hamza Segawa. Mr. Abdullahi filed 5 affidavits disputing claims that his rival is a graduate of the university. All right, even as we follow up on that particular case where the Wajir Governor Mohammed Abdi has moved to the Supreme Court to seek redress over the Court of Appeal decision that upheld the High Court's decision to nullify his August 8th election. Let's just take a look at the chronology of events in this long battle. On the 9th of August 2017, 2 Wajir gubernatorial candidates, his competitors Ahmed Mohammed and Ahmed Abdullahi, rejected the IEBC results and they alleged rigging in Wajir South, West, North and Elders constituencies. Now, on the 9th of September, the former Wajir Governor Ahmed Abdullahi of the ODM party filed an election petition challenging Abdi Mohammed's win on grounds of improper academic papers. Moving on the 12th of the 1st of this year, the High Court nullified the election of Wajir Governor and declared it null and void. All this is based on his academic credentials, where the judge, that is Justice Mabeya, who disqualified his election after failing to dispel claims of lacking a valid undergraduate degree certificate. Still moving on and taking a look at the chronology of events, on the third month, on the 12th day, Mohammed moved to the Court of Appeal and argued the High Court misinterpreted the laws and ignored crucial evidence in nullifying his election. Now, the Court of Appeal, as we mentioned, upheld the High Court's ruling. Fast forward to April 2018, Abdi Mohammed moved to the Supreme Court. As we well know right now, the Supreme Court temporarily suspended the Court of Appeal ruling on the 3rd day of May. Over to the September to the 28th, the Supreme Court allowed admission of additional evidence on academic qualifications of the governor. Fast forward to October, Kampala University disclaims Wajir Governor Mohammed Abdi Mohammed's degree, and the Supreme Court admitted new evidence and spared Abdi Mohammed from being cross-examined in academic papers case.